This is the spiny desert lizard, freshly cast in solid sterling silver. I'm working on the placement of the stones and bezels, deciding what stones and where they go. And then I solder them onto the lizard in their correct place. Double check it when it's done. Make sure everything lines up how I wanted it to. This is after it's cleaned in the pickle. And then I polish it in the tumbler. Rinse it off. Make sure everything is looking good, nice and polished. And next will be stone setting. It's green chrysoprase, rainbow moonstone, and pyrite. 6 stones altogether. And then it's put on the bolo tie cord. Super big piece, very statement. I use the chunky jump rings to connect each part of the lizard body so that when it's worn, there's a hinge and it kind of lays against the person's chest in a natural position. This is probably the most ambitious piece I've ever done. So big and solid sterling silver with the 6 gemstones. Thank you for watching my process. Enjoy.